AP Calculus, AB, Unit 8, Day 11, warm-up. Some good review for our test coming up really soon. Let's see. Let's try and get this camera. So, pause video, try the problems first, and then we'll talk about it. These some good quick ones, though, for our test. Okay, assuming you guys tried these, we're trying to find, we know -2 to 5, we know -1, -2, and we want to do 5, -1. Now, if you notice, the bottom of this matches the top of that, so if we add these together, we're going to get -1 to 5. And that'll come from adding their values. We want something close to that, but we want the upside down version of that. So you got to watch out for that. Be careful. The answer would be -10. That's the work you could show. Okay. Next one. You should really break this up. Bring the 2 out front. The 2 is only that term, but we have to integrate this term. If you just say +5, that is a huge mistake. Okay. So these are like problems in the test. The test won't have multiple choice though. Now this first one, this one's pretty easy. I just gave it to you, 6, right? Now this next one, you could either integrate it, find the antiderivative, plug the limits in, and eventually get 50. Add that to 12, you get 62, which is answer C. But maybe the easier way is just use geometry. So you could do all this work right here to get the 50, or you could say, oh, this is just a constant function 5, horizontal line, trying to find the area from -3 to 7. It's just a rectangle. It's just base, which is 10, times the height, which is 5, and that gives you the 50. Either way, show me how you did it though. Number 3, I think we should distribute this division or distribute it as multiplication with a -1. So this is the 1/2 power. So rules of exponent say this is going to be x to -1/2. And then this is going to be 3 over x. I'd leave that like that. This is going to be x squared. And the reason I'm leaving this like this instead of writing it as x to -1, because it's not a power rule. This is natural log. So the first one's power rule. Bump it up 1, divide by the new exponent, multiply by the reciprocal. Natural log, the absolute value of x, you need the absolute values, x cubed over 3, plus c, of course. Okay, well, actually, this is a definite integral, so we don't need the plus c. I mean, you could write it. It's not that it's not there. It's just it always cancels out, so we usually don't write it. But definite integral, we got to plug limits in. So it's going to be 2 square root of 4 plus 3 natural log the absolute value of 4. That's 4 cubed is 64 thirds. I'm going to plug 1 in. 2 square root of 1. 3 natural log the absolute value of 1 minus 1/3. Natural log of 1 is 0. We've got to distribute this subtraction. So this is 2 times square root of 2 is 4, plus 3, natural log of 4, that's 64 thirds, minus 2, plus 1/3. So we're going to get 2 plus 3 natural log of 4. So we negative 63 thirds once we add that 1/3. So that's 21. So it's going to be 3 natural log of 4 minus 19 is one way to write that answer. So those are some good problems for the warm-up today. Just trying to get you ready for this test. So there you go.